If you want to make millions of dollars pressure washing, keep watching. I've cracked the code and figured out the secret. If you charge $999 for every service, and when a customer calls and hires you, you find the $99 guy to do the work for you. They don't really know what they're doing. They're probably going to damage something, and they don't have insurance, but who cares? That's a 90% profit margin. One of the most important things is not to forget what P.T. Barnum said, and that is a sucker is born every minute. And I'm not talking about the customer. I'm talking about the people that get so angry about $999. So think before you comment, because this might be your minute.